Hi there, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin. I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about PRP and what some of the success rates are. You know, it kind of varies to some extent by region. We get excellent results injecting tennis elbow, plantar fasciitis, and mild osteoarthritis in the knees. But we're also getting pretty good results with things like the rotator cuff, things like carpal tunnel syndrome, also ankle sprains, and Achilles tendonitis. Now, some of the common misconceptions about PRP is, can it fix everything? Well, no, it doesn't fix everything. For instance, if a person suffers an acute muscle tear, we have kind of a short window of opportunity to get in there to inject some PRP. It would be within a window of about 7 to 14 days after the injury. If we're too much earlier than 7 days, platelets don't work very well because there's too much inflammation going on. And if we wait more than 14 days, there's already too much remodeling and platelets don't really have a chance to act. They can be useful in helping to speed up recovery, but it's not true that they fix everything.